Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we're gonna see how to delete Venmo transaction history. So, like, you made some payments, you made some transactions, and you don't want to keep the records of them for whatever reason. Here's how to get rid of them. So, the first thing you need to note is transaction history is private by default. Only you and the recipient can see this transaction, so no one else is gonna have any idea what's going on. The second is deleting transaction history is permanent. All right, once you delete it, you're not going to have any records, no backups anywhere. So if you want to have a backup for it, you got to take notes that once you delete it, it's gone. You can't do that anymore, so you got to think twice. All right, so first of all, let's go on to checking out how to delete individual transactions. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is to open the Venmo app, and once you're logged in, tap on the transaction you want to delete, tap the three dots on the right hand corner, tap delete, and confirm that you want to delete it. Once confirmed, poof, it's gone. Now the second thing you need to note is deleting multiple accounts. Unfortunately, Venmo doesn't currently offer a feature to delete multiple transactions at once. So if you want to delete a lot of transaction history, unfortunately you're gonna have to do that one by one. And sorry guys, for right now there's no other way about it, so you're just gonna have to do that one by one. Hiding transactions. Now if you don't want to delete transactions but you want to hide them from public view, there's an option for that. So all you have to do is first off open the Venmo app, tap on the transaction you want to hide, tap the three dots on the top right corner, and then tap make private. Okay, confirm you want to make it private, and once you do that, no one will be able to see it, even if they unless you click open that up, no one will be able to see that transaction because it will be private, locked to you. So those are the three, or rather two options you have. But hey, I hope that was useful. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment on what you thought, share the video with other people that might find it useful also, and of course subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you never miss another update of our awesome videos. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.